Hello friends, welcome to Lindy Nash TV. In this video, I am going to teach you how to produce a glass cleaner. But before I proceed, I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos anytime I upload them. So let's get started. Before you produce a glass cleaner, these are the materials you will need: alcohol, distilled water, vinegar, color. This is the container that I will use, and these are measuring cups. So first of all, you need to measure 80 ml of the alcohol. So I am measuring 80 ml. These are the measurements on the cup. I think this is 100 ml, so I have to reduce it a little bit. Okay, this will do. Then I will measure 80 ml of distilled water. I think this one is right on point. So here we go. And then I am going to use about 3 teaspoons of vinegar. So this is 1, 2, 3. And then this is my color. And I think just a teaspoon will do. So after doing all the measurements, just mix it together for some time. Make sure that everything has been mixed well. And that is it. Our glass cleaner is ready. You can use it to clean your sliding doors, your sliding windows, anything glass in your house. Okay, so now that I'm done, let me pour it into my container. So you can try it at home and give me your feedback. Thank you.